You have 2 on? Yep. We'll start here. Oh yeah, we got 2. River rats, I absolutely love this river. It's not the best. It doesn't have the biggest fish or the most fish or the easiest to catch fish, but it's got character, and I just like being down here. So we've been camping for like 3 days, and this is the last night. We're gonna get everything set up, cook some food, and hopefully some big dogs show up. So let's go. So this is some of my absolute favorite kind of fishing. You got a nice camp spot set up, got the boat pulled up, and just gonna cast some rods out the back, put the clickers on, and relax. Wait for a big one to hit. I gotta switch out one of these hooks. I'm gonna put out some big baits. I'll show you. Yeah, some big old greasy sucker heads. Might use that one last. There's a smaller one in there, but point being is we're gonna throw out some big baits, long weights, and we got all night. So hopefully big dog rolls up. We're gonna have good stuff for him if he does. Yeah, I'm gonna throw these out. I think I'll put the big bait on the Hellcat. The only reason is because I've been doing that the whole week, and might as well stay consistent. Okay. Now all I'm gonna do is flip the clicker on, back the drag off. Yeah, if something over 10 pounds hits that, he should be able to pull that line off, and you'll hear the clicker. The current's just going to tick that one down, which is what we want. Wherever it settles is probably going to be a good spot. We'll make sure that doesn't spin. Oh, already went and hooked back into itself. Yeah, you don't want your baits to spin. They don't seem to like it very much. That's not spinning. Perfect. Hopefully it doesn't hook back into itself either. I'm just a little bit shorter than the other one, so we don't get tangled. Yeah. Set up the exact same way. Good old 11-aught there. That should do just fine. We had a pretty good night last night. No state records, but some dang nice fish. And one thing we got going for us tonight is the water's up higher. So as long as they keep it there, I would imagine there'd be a few more fish rolling around, but you never know. Catfish do weird catfish things for reasons people like me don't understand. Either way, if they show up, there's gonna be some prime eating waiting for them. Okay. That's ridiculous. And to avoid tangles, I think I'm gonna just slide these down. Yep, I like that. Skip! He's over there. Warms my heart that he's starting to listen a little bit better. Come on. Attaboy. Right here. Sit. Getting better. Yeah, he's in play mode. A lot of puppy in you, bud. Micka's made a dandy of a fire. It's continuing to make a dandy of a fire.
We're gonna get enough coals and sticks.
Yep. I suppose I could be helpful and get more sticks. That's a fine stick. So is that one. Might even be something living in that one. It's like hollow. Oh, saw a leaf moving, freaked me out. This one's hollow.
Is it really?
I'm almost scared to burn it. What might run out of it. We've done a pretty good number on the pile of timber right here.
Where's the paper towels at? I gotta dry my hands.
On the boat, I'll get them. Gonna need them anyway. Yeah. Yeah, one of us forgot to bring adequate paper plates and paper towels. I don't remember who it was. Skip, was it you that forgot to bring the paper plates? I brought what, 7?
Yeah.
Maybe not even that many. It might have been.
I thought you had 7.
Maybe it was 5.
Yeah, you only had 5.
Well, now I have 20.
Definitely get it through the night.
Yeah.
Tomorrow.
Put them on the table. Skip, you're a dog of the wild, huh? I think it's dinner time for Skip. I'm sure he'll get supplemented with some scraps, but let's get him the meat and taters. You hungry, bud? Sit. Lay down. Stay. Stay. Okay. I know it's not steak. Maybe next time. He has become a pretty darn decent camp buddy.
Yeah.
Hopefully he doesn't get eaten by an alligator.
Well, like you said, he is 100% better than first fire.
Right. Good things are happening. There's some kind of beaver swimming around in the water behind us.
Yeah, it's like a, I don't know if it's
An otter?
maybe, yeah, maybe an otter. That's the other thing I was thinking, it was an otter. It was too small to be a beaver, but it was a small beaver.
Hmm. Good idea.
Waterline. It looks like it's kind of went down though. It could be because of wave.
No, that's a good idea. That way we know if we should tighten the boat up or push the boat off a little bit too.
Yeah, but it looks like it has been come down a little bit earlier today, not since we've been here.
Yeah, I don't want it to come down. I want it to stay right where it's at.
If it stays right where it's at, we should be good.
Mm-hmm. Steaks are done, guys. I think the only person more excited than me and Mike is Skip.
Absolutely.
I'll share a little bit. I said I was going to get a table, but the cooler works pretty good. Although for other things, to be able to have a table and like a different place to put things not in the sand wouldn't be a terrible idea.
Yeah, but until you have to get into the cooler.
Yeah,
then
true.
You use it as a table.
True. I have some good beef.
Mm-hmm. So you only got one fork left.
Really? I didn't think we'd run out of forks.
So I'm going to wipe this fork off.
Fork you. Fork off. Do we really only have one fork left?
So basically, save your fork.
Save my fork.
Got plenty of plates, paper towels.
Yeah. Should have grabbed 2 more forks. I have 500 of them in Iowa. Maybe I'll get some metal forks. Crazy idea, I know. Skip! Shut up! So there's some people on the other side of the river. They're talking, and then Skip barks at them talking, and then he hears the echo of his own bark and barks at the echo of his own bark. It's a vicious cycle. Kind of annoying. Skip! Come here. Come here. Why are you so worked up, bud? Hey. Nope. Dude, you're out of hand.
We should be good to just back it straight up.
Yeah, I'll hop in. Yeah, Micka was smart because I parked this boat solidly on the bank.
Maybe stand in the back, see if we can push it back.
The water's dropped like 4 inches so far. Say when? Talons?
Yeah, now. Yeah, talons now. Alright, wasn't too bad.
No. Could be. I'll pull up the gauges. Yeah, Micka put a stick down. Not that we would have. Well, it's definitely a nice reference point, but it's dropped every bit of 4 inches,
Yeah.
which is plenty to beach a boat.
It's back where it was before the water came up.
Right? Which sucks for fishing.
It does. Yeah. If it stabilizes, though, it may not be so bad.
Right. It's just not what it could have been. Yeah, there's Micka's stick, and the water was right there. As you can see, it is no longer there. It's clear over here. Which, granted, this is a flat area, so it seems more exaggerated, but point being is we don't want the boat to get stuck.
We've dealt with that.
Yeah, we have. It doesn't help fishing none. Well, the update currently is the water just dropped like a foot, and we had to move the boat again. Thankfully, Micka was paying attention. I can't imagine it's going to help the bite, but hopefully it levels out. If it levels out, there's a good chance we'll get one after midnight. Maybe we'll get lucky and get 2 or 3. But I'm just hoping it levels out at this point in time. We have 2 on? Yep. I'll start here. Is he just in? He might have 2. Oh yeah, we got two. Okay, wanted to get the hook in him to see what happened. See if he took off 100 mile an hour or not. I think this is the better fish. Yeah, he's here. Hey, Micka. Oh, there we go. There's a little bit of weight. We got a double, buddy. Oh, he's really nice. He must have been on there for a while because,
Oh, yeah?
well, he didn't fight very good, and he's pretty decent.
Has he got a double?
Yeah, get that one.
Oh, yeah, that's a good one there.
Yeah, I'm very surprised when I saw how big he was. Where? Ooh.
Mid-20?
That'd be my guess.
This one here, what do you do? Take a bunch of line?
I don't know. I bombed it. He might even be bigger than that.
Oh, no, that's 30. Heck yeah, by looking at it, that's 30 there for sure. This one here ain't never near that big.
Well, that's what I thought with him. You ain't bow flipping it.
Heck yeah, look at that.
Just a pile of catfish. Just starting a pile.
They're not too bad ones at all.
No. That hook out.
You didn't forget your light.
Hmm?
I said, since you didn't forget your light, that's kind of cool.
The double?
Yeah.
There's your fish. I don't know why I didn't yell at you right from the beginning. I was just kind of waking up, and then I'm like, oh, there's two on. Micka should reel one in.
Well, I appreciate you including me.
Oh, yeah. There was a weird change of events from last night where...
Yeah, that's a 30.
Yeah. Well, the dropping water, finally, I'm not going to say, things chilled out.
Yeah.
Dropping water sucks for catfishing and lots of fishing, really, but once it levels out, good things can happen, like doubles on 20s and 30 pounders.
That's exactly right.
Okay. See ya. If you're gonna throw a cut bait and go to bed, one thing I do recommend is throw big chunks. I mean, sometimes they prefer a smaller chunk, but the big chunks got more scent and disperse scent for longer. So, in my head, it makes sense to put on a bigger bait. Plus, they're usually a little gutsier at night, less fickle, less sensitive. You know, all the adjectives that describe me. Right now, the number one adjective that describes me is kind of groggy, I would say.
Yeah, no doubt. Tired would be one.
I'm tired, boss. What time is it? Do you know? Me either. Any more nibbles that I slept through? Dang it. Well, we got the ones we got, and when the water drops, I'm pretty happy with that. Heck yeah, they did. Water under the dam and pound on them for a minute. I don't know if you're supposed to stir coffee like this, but I do.
Make it taste better.
Maybe. Some of it's boredom. Some of it's like, I don't want it to overflow. She's nice and grimy. Last morning in paradise. It's very tempting to be like, well, we could probably go catch one more. Skip! You're on private property up there. Get down here.
Yeah.
You trying to be some trespasser? Good boy. Let me just pour you a cup of this. Mm-hmm. I do. The Smackdown coffee pot holder. She's spilling a little bit, but that's because I filled her to the max. Oh yeah, need the, no! Need the top.
It's good, it's good, yeah.
It's good, it's good!
Well, I just wasted more than just as much.
It'll be fine. It'll be all right.
What do you end up with? Oh, almost a full cup.
Yeah.
That thing makes quite a bit.
Yeah, it's like, well, it gets 32 ounces. It was a 28 ounce cup. But I overfill this too by quite a bit.
16 ounces, I think.
Catch it. All I know is coffee's ready. Take a little drink of this and I know what comes next.
I don't like the water's coming up in here though.
It looked like, I would bet they opened one gate so far, just judging by what the flow's doing.
One additional gate?
Yeah. Well, maybe more than that. Well, made it off the water safe and sound back of the house and got plenty of chores to do. Got to clean this thing up. I'm actually going to post up for sale if anybody's interested. Going back to the jet boat. I mean, Protege, super awesome, super versatile boat. It just doesn't go through 4 inches of water. And those are my favorite places to be, which is one of the reasons I enjoy down there so much. It's not the greatest fishery, but it's far from a bad one. I mean, there's some really, really, really high quality fish. But most importantly, it's skinnier water. It's got some character, some charisma, and I just really enjoy being out there on it. So hope you enjoyed the video. If you liked it, hit the like button. If you want to see more, hit the subscribe button. Appreciate you watching. Hope you catch a giant.